In this video, I'll show you how to simplify an expression using the exponent rules. In any case, when simplifying expressions, we have to follow the order of operations, and that means we must get rid of the parentheses first. To eliminate the first one, we'll be using the power of a product rule, which is kind of like distributing the exponent to each of the factors inside the parentheses. We must be careful though, the exponent does not multiply the bases, but it goes to each base as an exponent. So we should get 8 to the 1/3 rather than 8 times 1/3. And then we also have x to the 1/3. To eliminate the second parenthesis, we'll be using the power of a product rule again, but this time we'll combine it with the power of a power rule because there already is an exponent inside. So we have to multiply the outer exponent by each of the exponents inside the parentheses. Keep in mind, if the exponent doesn't show explicitly there, that means it's 1. So we get x to the 1/3 times 2, which is 2/3. And then also we get y squared. I'm just going to write everything else down for now. Now let's take care of the coefficients. To calculate a to the 1/3, we're going to use the rational exponent rule. And a to the 1/3 turns into the cube root of 8 to the 1, which is just 8. Now the cube root of 8 is 2, and 2 divided by 2 is 1, so this actually simplifies. For the next step, we have a couple of options. We could simplify the negative exponents first, or multiply the same base powers first. I'll go with the latter. So we'll be using the product rule to multiply x to the 1/3 and x to the 2/3, and then again to multiply y to the -1 and y squared. So the base stays the same, and we need to add the exponents. 1/3 plus 2/3 is equal to 1, so we have x to the 1. And then for the y, again the base stays the same, and we will add the exponents. -1 plus 2 is equal to 1, so we have y to the 1. And then I'll just write the rest for now. This is what we have so far. Next, we're going to use the quotient rule to divide the same base exponent, x and x cubed, and also y and y to the -2. In this case, again, the base remains the same, but we are going to subtract the exponents. Now remember, when we don't see an exponent there, it means it's 1. So this is x to the 1 and y to the 1 right there. Therefore, we're going to do 1 minus 3, which is -2, and that will be the exponent for the x. And we are going to do 1 minus -2, which is a +3, and that will be the exponent for the y. An important thing to remember is that as long as we have a negative exponent, our work is not done. Our expression is not yet simplified. So we have to take care of that -2. And we will do that using the negative exponent rule, which will turn x to the -2 into 1 over x squared. So the final answer will be y cubed over x squared. Now you give the following problem a try and visit my blog, linked in the description below, to find the answer and check your work. You will also find helpful tips to better understand the exponent rules so they're easy to remember, as well as additional examples and practice problems. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my website for even more resources to help you improve your skills, or to contact me if you're looking for one-on-one tutoring.